Hi, this is Yvon Prehn, and this is a preview of a training video on our website on how to get great-looking glossy business cards, postcards, and other publications free with Vista Print. Now, this is a current advertisement from Vista Print. This is an online printing company, and as you can see, they say you can get announcements and invitations free, business cards, postcards, t-shirts, door magnets, banners. This is actually little thank you note cards, a lawn sign, and little rubber stamps, and these really are free. I've used this for quite some time. Many other churches have, and it's absolutely fantastic how this works out. And if you're on their mailing list, you get emails like this continuously. This helps churches that want to get, say, the glossy, fancy-looking postcards, business cards, that sort of thing, but you don't want to pay a whole lot of money for it. You have the designs, you want to personalize to you, and you can literally get them for free using this system. Now, the one thing is, though, it's how to do this is at effectivechurchcom.com, but it's just the video that I have is just for Effective Church Communication members. It's only $9.99 a month or $99 a year for your whole church, so I hope you'll go there, sign up, and join us for the video.